Today's lesson is over irregular preterite verbs, or los verbos irregulares en el pretérito. So some verbs have a unique stem in the preterite, but they take the same endings. Okay? So all of these verbs have a unique stem in the preterite, okay? And they're going to take specific endings. So estar means to be. The stem of estar is estuv. Tener means to have. The stem is tuv. Querer, to want. The stem is quis. Hacer is to do or to make. Hacer stem is is. And then there's a real special one for the LAF form only. It's is with a Z. Venir means to come. The stem of venir is vin. Poner, to put. The stem of poner is pus. Poder is to be able to. The stem of poder is pud. Haber is to have, but this is a helping verb, have. Okay, it's whenever you use the ado or ido. So that's ub. Andar is to walk, and that is anduv. It's a stem. Saber is to know. The stem of saber is soup. And then the stem of caber, which means to fit, is coup. Okay, so these are our irregular stems. Now we're going to look at the same endings that they all share. Okay, so remember, these are our list of our stems. The endings are as follows. For the yo form, it's e, then two is iste, él, ella, usted is o, nosotros is imos, vosotros is isteis, and ellos, ellas, ustedes is yeron. So it's kind of a mix between the AR endings and the ER, IR endings. Okay, but there are no accents on these at all. 0 accent marks. Okay? All right, so let's take a look at tener. So, yo, tú, él, ella, usted, nosotros, vosotros, etc. They all get the same stem. Okay? The yo form is tuve, then it's tú tuviste, él tuvo, nosotros tuvimos, vosotros tuvisteis, and then ellos, ellas, ustedes is tuvieron. Okay? Hacer is a little bit different. So, notice that I put the regular stem in all forms except the el, ella, usted form. So that's is with a Z. Okay? Then it's ise, hiciste, hizo, hicimos, hicisteis, and then hicieron. All right? Now, decir, traer, and other CIR verbs have irregular stems. Okay? Decir and traer are completely irregular, and then all other CIR verbs change the C to a J. All right, let's just take a quick look. All right, so decir means to say or to tell. The stem of decir is dich. Traer means to bring. The stem of traer is tra. Conducir, introducir, producir, and traducir are all verbs that end in CIR. This is not all of them in the Spanish language, this is some examples. Okay, what I do is I take the IR off, and then I change the C to a J. So like the stem of conducir is conduc, then it's introduc, produc, and traduc. Okay? These lovely verbs, decir, traer, and CIR verbs, have that unique stem, okay, and they all take the same endings. Now, remember, these are our stems, and then I'm going to show you your endings. These endings will look very similar to the ones from the previous group. Okay, so the yo is e, then iste, then o, then imos, then isteis. The ellos, ellas, ustedes form is different. Okay, the only thing that's different is that there's no I. So it's just eron. Okay, so again, there are no accent marks on these. So, I'd like you to please translate these 3 sentences on that sheet of paper. Okay? Do tomorrow.